Okay guys, as we were traveling coming up to Governor Dodge State Park, we happened to come across this object right here on Highway 23. Great big gigantic plane of some sort. We're going to maybe go inside. They got a set of steps here that looks like you can get inside. Now this is called Don Q Inn, and it's place probably where you can eat. I didn't go inside there or nothing yet, but we've seen this plane. We just had to stop. So we're going to take a peek at that real quick here. See what that looks like. I'm pretty sure you can go inside that thing. There's the inn. I don't think so. There's some people in there right now. We'll wait until they get out. There's the back half. Pretty neat, ain't it, Jason? How often you get to sit, or how often you get to walk into one of these? Cot right here. As far as it goes, there's a back to the tail section. Kind of bad shape, but get an idea of what it looks like. So the soldiers sat.
I don't know that I've ever been up here. I don't remember this.
It's always been here.
Okay, now we're going to go in front of the cargo plane. There's some of the instrument panel. We're going to go up front now. The seating area. Now here's a real big panel here. Wow. Lots of switches. It's incredible. Stuff up there.
Addie and Brenna, it's not our turn in here. You need to wait, please. Come on out.
Why?
There's a
They had
scene.
their turn. You guys had a long turn, now they're going to take their turn.
It's beat up quite a bit, but at least you get an idea what it looks like inside here.
Maybe better outside. Yeah. Brennan, do you see when Addie has any shirts? Like, great. You did? I tried that.
Yeah, broken steering wheel. Well, not broken steering wheel, the half steering wheels. The other side of the seat. It's our control panel. A lot of stuff in here. And of course, looking out the windshield. Okay, now we're heading down. It's quite a deal in there. The undercarriage. You know how far down the wheels of sank over the years, just sitting there. A lot of weight. Yep. Well, folks, that was worth stopping and seeing. So we're going to go head off to the state park now. Should be here in a few minutes. We'll see you there. Okay, Jason, are you ready to take this journey?
Yes, I am.
Okay, what did you suggest we do today?
I suggested that we go to Governor Dodge State Park.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, he looked it up on the internet. We were looking for a place that was going to be affiliated with state parks in Wisconsin. And he picked this one because it was a little bit closer for us to travel this weekend. And we decided to do that. But before we get on to this story here, let me tell you guys what happened. Well, you're going to know because you're going to see the video first. As you know, on our travels on the way in, we seen that gigantic plane, didn't we?
Yep.
That was pretty cool. Often you get to go in a cargo plane and see, you go right up to the cockpit where everybody sits and flies the plane. That was pretty neat, wasn't it?
It was.
Yeah. And we got to go and see all where they sit and everything inside. That was pretty neat. But anyways, right now we're at Governor Dodge State Park, and let me tell you guys, this is a big place. A lot to do here. There's trails all over the place you can go to. Right now we're at the trail where we're at there's a little waterfall we're going to check out, and the trails are really nice. They're blacktop, some of them. They're real wide, so you don't have to worry about tripping over anything. So it's really easy to do, and it's just west of Madison. Really easy to get to. Right, Jason, off of 23, right?
Yes.
You take 18 to 23.
Yep.
Yeah, 18 to 23, and then it's just a little ways off of 23. A couple miles and you're right here. A beautiful place. There's a lot to do here. There's trails for horseback riding. If you got a horse, you bring them up here and you ride the trail there. There's bike trails, you know, for riding bike. And there's several trails for just hiking, you know. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to take this one here and we're going to check out this waterfall and see what that's all about. So you ready to head on out and do that?
Yep, I am.
All right, let's get on with it then. All right, let's go. Here's a map, if you can see it. I don't know how much glare you're going to get, but this is a whole 1,000 acres. It's put right on a post here. You know, so I'll wrap you around here and I'll show you what we got going on here. We got the waterfall straight ahead. We got the spring house. We'll check out the spring house first. How about it, Jason?
Yeah.
All right, let's go down there. Okay, guys, we're heading for the Rock Spring House. We're going to check this out, see what that looks like. I believe this is where it all starts to get to the falls itself. This is where it all starts. Wow, look at this. That's just where they all got their water from, the drinking and everything. Let's see if we get a view inside there. It'll probably be pretty dark. And it's all coming right out of the ground there. Do I hear an echo in here? I know somebody handed me all this in here at one time. It's all brick laid. And it heads down to the falls. So this must be where it all starts. Comes out of the ground there. Yeah. This is an excellent park. Very clean. Well, it's a state park. And you got these, some history here. This marquee tells you all about the heritage tale of the Steffens farm. I'm gonna read all that. You guys gotta come up here and check this out though, if you're in the area. I think you'd really like it. I think there's a cave trail here too.
Yeah, there is.
Lost Canyon Trail, Cave Trail.
Lost Canyon Trail, Gold Mine Trail, Meadow Valley Trail, Woodland Trail, Old Orchard Pass, Horse Trail start area, Cave Trail.
It's a Military Ridge Trail too.
Right here.
Yeah. So there's a lot of territory you can explore if you want. A lot here to see. Well, we're going to journey on and we're going to take a look at the waterfall. So let's go. Okay, we're here in the waterfall. Getting into the shady area here. Well, we're going to go down these steps here. You get the top side. kind of hard to get right here. I think it's way bigger down further. Okay, that's just a little sneak preview of the top. There's a lot more to come, folks. Really pretty in here. Scenic overlook. Way down there.
We can go down there.
Yeah, we're gonna go down there. Oh, quite a view. Okay, here we go.
I'm taking my picture when we get down there.
Here's what you got, folks, for climbing, walking down there.
You making a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, I have one too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. There we go. Yeah, down here. Isn't that a pretty waterfall? All natural spring water. All that carved out underneath there. It's hard to walk on all these rocks with a camera, but we're getting her done. It's a little bit of a climb, but not too bad. Just gotta watch your footing. Safety. Nice and cold, huh? Still nice and cold?
A little bit.
The water just keeps continuing on down here. Like a little stream. Not a lot of water coming through here at one time. I'd be curious to see how much water comes through here in a dry spell. I imagine it's the same all the time because it's coming out of the ground. These walls go way up, way up. This place is well visited. There's a lot of people coming to this to see it. Okay, set back up. At least we give you a rail to hang on to. That'll give a little view down here. You see. And we'll continue back up. It's a very steep climb at one time, but you got that railing to hang on to. There comes Jason with no problem. No mosquitoes either, is there?
No.
Not bad at all. Yeah, it's really funny how you go some places and skins eat you alive, and others you're fine. Not a bug in sight. Yeah, Stephen's Falls it's called. I highly recommend coming here, folks. If you have the ability to climb rocks a little bit, you know, it's not that bad of a deal. It's a little steep, but not that bad. Like I said, they got a railing that you can grab onto, and you also take it slow going down, take it slow coming back up, you'd be fine. You know, it's well worth seeing. Once in a lifetime. So Governor Dodge State Park. That's what it is. So this is just a small glimpse of it. Yeah. You ready, Jason?
Yep.
Okay, guys, how did you like this little video? Not a lot to show you, but I'll give you a sneak preview of what's going on up here in Governor Dodge State Park. This was a highlight of the park that we could do for you. Show you that beautiful, beautiful waterfall. So if you got a chance and you get to Wisconsin, this is the place you got to hit. It's beautiful. It's just west of Madison, off of 18 and 23. Just take 18 towards Dodgeville. And then there's a 23. Just set your GPS for Governor Dodge State Park. Take you right to it. And it's beautiful. I mean, there's everything's groomed beautifully here. They got the grass cut. The trails are cut really nice and wide. You don't have to worry about it. But getting down to the falls, I want to warn you, it's very steep. It's a rock climb. You got to watch yourself when you climb down the rocks. They do have a railing that you can grab onto. So if you're at all squeamish about heights, I don't suggest doing it. But if you don't care about heights, then you're fine. Just watch your step, that's all I can say. But it's well worth going down to the bottom and getting a real beautiful view like we got. But anyways, we're going to let you guys go. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and leave some comments. And if you're brand new to the channel, please subscribe. We could use you. And the other thing I want to say is that at the beginning of the video, of course, you know, we had to stop to let you see that plane that we ran into. You never know what you're going to run into on the travels, you know. And on the way on 23 there, we just turned on 23. We were on there for about, I don't know, what to say, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
And we seen this gigantic cargo plane. It's in the middle of nowhere. And I said, hey, we got to stop and videotape that. They got steps going up inside the thing. So I says, maybe we can get in there and take a peek at it. See what it looks like inside. So we did. So we thought we'd bring that to you at the beginning. So I hope you guys like this. So watch to the end, and we'll see you in the next video. All right? Take care, guys. We'll see you later.